Namaste everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here I am going to show you a real estate application which is built on Django. Right, the backend that we're using, database that we're using for this one is Postgres. Okay, and how this application works, let me first show you that, and after that I'm going to tell you about the code and everything that have been used for making it functional. So before we dive into this one, let me just show you my website. This is the one, right, on which you can come and check out the various video courses I have shooted the video for on my YouTube channel till date, right? So it's a compiled form of those things basically. So you can come here and check out the kind of things which I do in my coding classes I provide to my students. Okay, if you want to become a successful coding engineer, I think this is one of the biggest source. This is one of the most you know amazing source that you will find online, and you are going to take away many things from here. Right, so if you find these tutorials interesting, you can join my coding classes for learning all the kind of things that a professional do in a web application or web development environment, or you can say in corporate. Right. So coming back to the tutorial, this is how the home page of the application looks like, and if a person wants to check out the property on this, he has to first register himself on the platform. So registration is very easy. He can simply fill the details over here in this form like the way I am doing. Okay, so once everything is there, he can register. Password don't match. Okay, I think I typed in an incorrect password by mistake. No problem, I'll do it again. Okay, so I registered a profile with name Gaurav, and let me just sign into it. Okay, this is the dashboard page which the user will be redirected to once he signs into the application. So currently, as you can see, we do not to show to the users. That's the reason everything is blank. Now what the admin can do, he can enter the properties by accessing the admin panel. So for that he has to come over here, and he can log in into this as an administrator. Okay, I think I haven't created any administrator till now. Let me just do it right away. Give me a moment. Okay, so here we are going to create a super user. Keep the password and the username similar so as to keep the things easy. Okay, I've registered a super user. Now it's time for me to log in into the admin portal. So this is how the admin portal looks like, and these are the various tables I've created. Now, the context, we do not have any context right now. So let's come on realtors and enter the details for this. I'm going to enter my name here. I'm going to upload my photograph, and let me just find out a good description for myself. I think I've done enough work so that I can find it on Google. Gaurav Kumar Jain. Okay, description. So I'm going to copy this description and I'm pasting it over here. Here I'm going to type my phone number. My Gmail ID is this. Let's just save the details. I've created a realtor file. Let's come on listings and let's add something to this. So I'm going to select Gaurav Kumar Jain. Title is going to be Sweet Home, and address Shastri Nagar, city Ghaziabad, state Uttar Pradesh. Zip code is this, and let me search for a good description of a luxurious home. Okay, so I think this will do. So let me just copy it and paste it directly in my application. Okay, price is, let's say, 17,000. Oh, sorry. Let's make it a bit more. 1 crore 27 lakh, bedroom 5, bathrooms 2, garage 2, 17,000 square feet, lot size 200. It's time for us to select the photographs. So I have some photographs downloaded already on my device on desktop. Quickly going to upload all the photographs here. Sorry if I'm taking too much of your time. For So in the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, JS, and the backend Django is there. Save details. Okay, so I've saved the details successfully, and I've created a listing for me. Contacts. Let's add some contacts also. Listing, sweet home. Okay, listing IDs. So let's see, two. Find message. It's a great home. Okay. So, okay, there is an error. I think I haven't saved the user ID. Yep, now it is fine. So I created, a dummy data for all these three tables. Let's come back on the application and see what are we going to get over there. So now we have some details, some listings over here under latest listings, and if I click on more info, it redirects me to this page where I can see the realtor property realtor details, right? And I can see all the photographs. See, right? So the photographs are also there, and this is using my arrow direction key, the arrow direction key of the keyboard. I'm able to change the photograph. See how beautiful it is looking. So this is a kind of view that you can get simply by using JS, Bootstrap, HTML and Ajax in your front end. Then if we talk about the information we entered while creating the profile of this house, everything is set over here in a form of a table, you can say. This is the description of the house and everything about the realtor. And now if a person wants to inquire about this house, he can simply fill the form, and what is going to happen when he will hit the send button, an email will be shooted which will go to this realtor. He can check it on his email ID, and then he can respond, and they can communicate, and then they can make a deal. So this is how this application works. It comes with a very great search feature, so the user can search with filling the details over here. Uttar Pradesh is not there, so that's the reason we can't make any search. Okay, once you add the states, right, all the states over here, and you select the state, automatically the search is also going to work for you. So this is the whole look and feel of the application. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me just show you the code also. So here, if you see, we have some applications over here. Then we have this settings.py file in which we are using this for the email part. We're using, uh, you know, Postgres, as I've told you. Okay, this is the database, configuration. And now, if you want to set it up on your device, you just have to install Postgres. Then you have to create this database named Postgres, and once it is there, you have to simply migrate the tables to this particular database, and it will start working on your device. Right, so this is it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to learn these kind of things and you want to become a software developer, a successful not software developer, rather I should say. So you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen, and also you can take my coding classes. Feel free to talk to me anytime, any day. Right. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead, guys.